Reference to the federal system of government and efforts to resolve the challenge of multiplicity of tax, the government has simplified the regulatory frameworks, market-friendly policies, while improving the ease of doing business in Nigeria. However, each tiers of government, according to the approved Tax and Levy Collection Decree of 1998 as amended to an Act in 2015, as well defined tax collection mandates respectively.
The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria clearly specifies what taxes could be collected by the federal, state, or local government.
There are so many small businesses that are out of business right now because of multiple taxation, for instance, especially in Lagos. You find out that if you have a small business doing, the taxes are coming, they are putting pressure on you for paying your tax from the local government, the state, the federal, even the unidentified persons. They will come around for collection of taxes.
What are some examples of multiple taxation?
For the federal government, for example, we have VAT, which is collected by them. We have the petroleum profit tax, which is on oil-producing companies, profit of oil-producing companies, which is paid to the federal government. Then we have some other taxes like corporate income tax as well, which is also payable by companies to the federal government. For the state government, they are empowered by the law to collect taxes like personal income tax of individuals, withholding tax of individuals and partnerships and unincorporated businesses. And then they have other taxes like development levies and all of this. So all these taxes are taxes that should be collected by the state, according to the law guiding what taxes should be collected by each tier of government.
Okay, we pay developmental tax, and at times we pay consumption tax, VAT, on some of the things we purchase, even at stores. As a school owner, I pay business premises when I pay my tax, and my landlord will still pay tenement rate, and I think that is double taxation on the part of me as a school owner.
The license charges you pay for your vehicle, some people will see it as a tax. It's not a tax. The toll gate you pay, where we have toll gates, they are not taxes. They are just what gives you access to the road. The market stall, what you pay for local government for your market stall is not a tax. So these are some basic things that, depending on what you do, the line of your business, that you may need to pay for.
The way and manner taxes are collected from individual business owners are designed to incorporate clarity and compliance. Thus, multiplicity of tax affect voluntary tax compliance.
Overlapping in the taxes that will be paid to each different tiers of government, those affect voluntary compliance, and that's because if someone pays back to the federal government, okay, and the state government is coming again to collect consumption tax, a tax system that is not friendly, that is not fair enough to business, then that is the recipe for people are not wanting to comply voluntarily.
To a very large extent, because if you are in your business place and they come for maybe the state government comes for taxation and you pay, before you know it, some other group will come for the same purpose. Some they are doing business undercover. They, in fact, refuse to pay. They blatantly refuse to pay because of issues like this.
Experts and stakeholders gave insights on the 6% tax fee on rent and ways to mitigate the effect of multiplicity of tax, thereby improving level of compliance.
When people come and say that the government introduced a 6% tax on rent, that is not true. And what you have is a graduated stamp duty rate on tenancy depending on the tenure of the tenancy. And part of this has been addressed by putting clear laws as to identify what is a tax, what is not a tax. It's also by training the operators, because everybody must then know the rule of the game. We require the political will, particularly at the local and state level.
The federal government, state government, and the local government, they can come together and streamline this collection of taxes by the use of technology.
The The World Bank Global Rating on the Ease of Doing Business would greatly improve the economy if concerted efforts by the government and stakeholders are geared towards level of compliance from business owners.
All right, every day we all scream to ensure that government get to harmonize these taxes. Whether it's practicable, I don't know. But my guest yesterday said that as of now, it is better left the way it is. But then we need to have ease of doing business. That special report came to you from Lagos Network Center. Earlier on I told you about it. It's actually Network Center of Lagos.